channel. It has been a long time, but you're always there with me. Thank you for your journeying with me. And this morning I'm gonna make a quick breakfast. When I said quick, I mean quick breakfast. I went into the store and I bought this for 75 cents, and I bought 3 plantain for $1.19. And I'm gonna put it together. You know, at home I have my pepper, my onion, my oil already, and I'm gonna pop it up. Oh my God, with some mint tea. Okay, I just picked this from my field, and I'm gonna make a quick mint tea with my plantain. Okay, I'm washing my plantain before I peel it. Okay. You know, when you buy it at the store, so many hands touch it, so you have to wash a thing before you come in. Okay. Different way of peeling plantain, right? Nice. Nice and easy. Okay. I'm gonna fry them like this. This is some sea salt. Just gonna sprinkle a little over them. Make them taste nicer, you understand? Okay, so come with me to my pot and fry. And I'm gonna pour in some oil. Yeah, I'm gonna fry my plantain. I just put my plantain in. I'm not gonna put a lot of plantain in because when they fry on both sides, then I'm gonna use my presser to press my plantain. Okay? This is going on good. Going on good. Very nice. Okay, I can take out one and I put it here. Put it on my presser and I'm gonna press it, okay? Very good. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it back in the pot. See how nice it look? That's why I don't fill up the pot with a lot, because I know I have to press them. I can put it down. Voila! You see? That's why I didn't put much in it. It's perfect. Perfect. Okay, I think all these are done. Yes. Perfect. Good. Nicely done. So I'm going to move them from my pile. Yes, and I'm going to put them over here on my paper for some of the pile to... Yeah, you know, you have to put them on the pile, on the paper to take some of the oil out. You don't want so much oil. Okay, perfect. All right, I have some more. So let me put in these 6 more. Okay. Sometimes you really come in and you're tired, you know, you don't want to make a big, or you wake and you don't want to make a big hell of a breakfast. You can do a little thing. Do a little thing, man. Work out just the same, right? See? So nice. Okay. Okay. These are finished. Looking so nice, right? Okay, guys, just to make, I picked my mint from out of my field earlier. I'm gonna make myself a cup of tea with my plantain and my mackerel. My water is boiling. I put it on medium. That's it. Okay, I'm gonna just prepare my season for my mackerel. I have this in my fridge, so I'm just gonna use a piece of it to go with my mackerel. I'm gonna wash them over here. Scale an onion half. And guys, I love hot peppers. If you're using tin mackerel and you don't put hot pepper in it, man, give it a good flavor. Okay, I'm just gonna cut a piece of this. Not much. Yes, and I think I have a peg of garlic. I think I have a peg of garlic. I think that will do me. Okay, that's good. Okay. Ready for my pot. I'm just gonna put my seasoning in my pot. Very good. Garlic. use much oil. What in it is perfect. Over here, I already washed my mackerel because I like to wash it. Okay, so I'm going to pick up this part. Okay, pour it in a container before I put it in my pot. I like to open it. I like to open them. No? Okay. 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 Alright, I'm just gonna add them to my pot over here. Just gonna get a little tip of water. For me alone, breakfast looking good, right? Yes. I'm gonna add to it some black pepper. Okay, that is good. And I have some Mistress Dash. Mr. Dash. Okay. Tip a little there. Yeah, I don't need anything else. That's it. And I make it cook down for a little while. Simmer down for a while. Looking good, right? Looking good. And my tea over there, my water over there boiling for my mint. Okay. My water is boiling for my mint, and I'm not gonna boil my mint, I'm gonna jar my mint. So when I drop my mint in the pot, I cover my mint tea and I turn off my stove. Five minutes it will be ready. Okay guys, I think I'm done. Yeah, so I'm gonna put my mackerel in my plate because I'm gonna eat everything. I'm just gonna dump it in this plate. Yes. Yes, I'm gonna dump it in this plate because I'm gonna make myself our lovely breakfast. Okay. I also have my plantain over here. That's perfect. Okay. I have myself a pear. Let me see if my pear is good. Oh, it's not too bad. Can get something from it. Okay. I don't mind how it wants to stay. I will pear it up and I will heat my avocado. In Jamaica we call it pear. But this is avocado. I'm gonna heat with my meal. Okay. Nice peg. Good. Perfect. Man, it's good. I'm telling you, it's good. Okay, I'm gonna strain it off some in my plate, in my cup here. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, here's my tea and my meal. Some people have their tea with their lemon juice. I'm just gonna put a teaspoon of sugar in my tea. Okay, that's it. And here goes my lovely breakfast. So here goes my $2 meal. You can have $2 and have a meal, right? And my avocado is from home. You know, me have my little nick snack from home already, where everybody have their nick snack. So watch, look, you have a $2 in your home and you say you don't have breakfast or you don't have dinner. It can make you a dinner, a breakfast, a lunch. Look, perfect. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and remember, just leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.